resistance level. So this means the target 2 is also highly likely if the market makes to break out of the target 1. We can see that the target 2 is also close here to the confluence of resistance, but it is below that. So the target 1 and target 2 is easily reached if the price starts to move to the upside. It is in between the weekly and the daily, currently weekly support and the daily resistance level, so there is no obstacles for the price to reach the first target 1. But have in mind the target 1 is here at the monthly and the weekly support resistance level, so it will be hard for the price to break above. But the critical here is what will happen around this entry. Will this head and shoulders will be invalid and the price will return up and the bad pattern will start to be valid, or this area here, which is not so strong support looking in the past and how currently looks, will not hold and the price will continue to reach the stop loss level. Let's take a look what we have on a weekly, how this looks. Just a minute to remove all the patterns. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is currently heading down. The weekly candle has closed below this critical level, what we can see it here, and is heading down. So this one is pretty bearish week, and also the last several weeks have been bearish. If the price goes below that, the next level where the price could stop on a weekly time frame is this one here. Because you can see in the past, this one level here, 6796, is a critical one on the weekly time frame. So this is the level where the price could reach in the following week, as it looks right now. When the price was going down and it was reaching this support, and the prices touched this price level here. In the next attempt, when the price was going down, you can see that the price has reached this one and then returned back down again here. Then in this one attempt, the price reached again this price level. So each time when the price, except this one, could not breach, but it has reached 6863, sorry, this one here, price level, which is 6865. So what we can see it right now, the weekly time frame is showing us that the price could reach lower level, which is 6796, and based on this one, on the daily time frame, we have seen that the bad pattern is showing us here the price level, which is, sorry, just a minute, 6705. 6705. Let's go to the weekly. 6705, which is 6723. Okay, let's remove this one. This one should be only on daily. Okay, so the daily is also showing that the price could reach this price level where the stop loss is. So the weekly time frame is going to reach 6800 price level, and 6705 is the stop loss of this bad pattern. So it is a little bit below this weekly, but what we can see, there is highly likely that the price will continue to move down in the next week. On a monthly time frame, we can see that the price is heading down, and it is also reaching this level where the final one is 6367 here, 6379, but it is a critical level here, 6863 price level. So we need to wait. Will the price break below that, or it will stay? On a monthly time frame, we have still 2 weeks until this month ends, but what we can see, when the price is going down, and if it has broken below this one, 700, which is a critical level on the monthly time frame, the next one where the price will stop is this one, 6833. So this is a critical level where the price will close in the following 2 weeks. Will it go back above 7000, or it will close below 6838, which is a critical level, 6822, but let's round it around 6800 price level. So the next week is pretty critical, but it can extend to the next 2 weeks. Will it hold? Let's go to the daily. Let's one like this, bad pattern, okay. Will the price reach the lower level, 6700, and go down below that, or it will go up and go above 700, which is a critical level on the monthly time frame. If the price returns back up and on the daily time frame and reaches this profit target 1, and on the weekly time frame goes up, then this will be indication that the price will continue to rise up in the future and possibly reach target 1 and then target 2. But until that happens, let's see what will happen around this potential reversal zone. Have in mind that this one, the bad pattern, has a risk to reward 3.41. So if you enter here at this price level where the entry level is, and you reach target 2, then this will be 3.4 against 1 against the stop loss. But if you enter below that or above that, this risk to reward ratio will not be the same. If you enter below that, it will be greater, but if you enter around here, for example, with the same stop loss and take profit target 2, this reward to risk will be reduced to 1 against 2 or 1 against something else. You need to calculate what is the difference between the entry price against the close and the target 2. But it is always choose to enter with the potential reversal zone, and based on the analysis to confirm that this area here, or slightly down if there is any price action signal that is pointing that it will be a bullish trend, it will be nice to wait until you have a confirmation. So if you make a conclusion, what you can see it right here with the bullish bad pattern, it is on the critical level where the stop loss level is mostly touched in the past, and we have uptrend where we have here indecision about the weekly and also monthly targets. For me, this one is not so clear bad pattern to be traded, because I would like to have much more confirmation signals like price action signal confirming the potential reversal zone and the stop loss that will not be easily reached based on the past, and also how the market looks, and the target 1 and target 2 are on a good position. So I have several mixed signals that are pointing me to some of them that will I will see the price going higher, and mixed signal, some of them that are pointing that the price will continue down, because the current market price looks like this. The price has gone outside of this daily uptrend. It is still in the weekly uptrend close to the stop loss, and on the monthly time frame there is highly likely that the price will continue to move down, at least a little bit more down, around 6.66 price level. So I will avoid this, but I will follow this bad pattern in the future week and also weeks, what will happen, to see how this analysis has worked out.